All right, guys, here we got a Mazda CX something, not too sure what, but this goes for any Mazda. The issue is no keys detected. You replace the battery, the car is pretty much new. What can you do? So this is gonna help you out. As you can see, it says low key fob battery, but we've already replaced the battery. So here's a cool trick you guys can do. So as we can see, the key is not being detected at all. It's like right next to the ignition. So for these Mazdas, whenever you change the battery, or sometimes out of nowhere they forget the key, so what you want to do is press this thing 3 times, lock button 3 times. You'll see this turn solid, this little light. Or you're gonna press this 3 times, the lock button 3 times, until you see a red dot. When you see the red dot, you hold it. So 1, 2, 3. Let me try that again. 1, 2. Damn it. Try it again. 1, 2. There we go. And we saw how it beeped at the end after I held it down when the light turned red. And now it should be good to go. Just like that. That's how you kind of reprogram one of these. I'm not sure if you could call it a reprogram or what's the deal, how it forgets it. But now it's good to go.